Hello successful souls, this is Lillian helping online spiritual coaches with their online spiritual coaching business to supercharge their results in 90 days or less to success. Now I have a success story here for you from the awesome Ian Tack. He in a nutshell had too many moving parts in his business, and I basically came in and suggested a few things here and there, basically creating more of a system in his business, and now he feels I've come in and made a massive difference because I've been there before myself. You can have many accounts and many areas of your business, and to get it as streamlined as possible will just make your life and your future enjoyment of your business so much more enjoyable and easier. So here is his success story. Feel free to reach out if you have any questions, and I'll see you in the next video.
I first started working with Jen about 6 months ago, and Jen was a real star at the beginning because we'd got ourselves into a bit of a pickle, having multiple websites and a couple of businesses under an umbrella brand, and each one had different Facebook pages and had accounts and Facebook groups, and nothing was really making sense, and we couldn't run any ads because everything was disconnected. And Jen was brilliant at the start. Like I say, she very patiently went through, unpicked all the damage I'd already done, got everything connected so the right ad account had the right page, and so on and so on. And it really did make a difference. And once she'd very carefully done that, then she also held our hands through the first couple of campaigns and creating the ads. And then once the ads were running, Jen showed us how to track the KPIs and keep a track of where all the ad spend was, and how to tweak the ads to get that were working, make them better, or weren't working, kill them, or whatever. So it's been a real great experience, and I'd like to thank Jen very much for getting us through it.
Many thanks for watching this video. If you're a coach, healer, therapist or practitioner and would like to supercharge your online coaching business, then feel free to hit the link below in the description box where you can receive the successful 6-figure soul roadmap and training. It walks you through step by step on how to start, build and grow your online coaching business to success. See you in the next video.